So in this Canva tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to flip an image here on Canva. So first thing you have to do is find an image that you are hoping to flip. I'll just go to my most recent uploads. Actually, I'll go to the Photos tab down here and I will find one that would be a fun one to flip. How about this one right here? A birthday cake on some girl's shoes. So this is going to be a perfect image actually to flip. So if you wanted to flip this image, it's super simple. I want you to press on the image right here and I want you to go to the top corner right here to where it says flip. I want you to press on flip. Now you have two options, either to flip it horizontal, which I will press that right now. It sort of flips that image in reverse, basically as it sort of like a reflection. If you want to flip it back, just flip that way. But if you want to flip it vertical and make it upside down, you can go to where it says flip vertical, flip that, and there you go. It looks like a person is stepping on some cake. So if you want to flip it back, no big deal. Flip it vertical. Now you can also get a little bit creative and use both of these things. So for example, if I wanted to go and flip it horizontal this way and then flip it vertical this way, if the shoes are facing this way, so I will flip it back to what it was before. And yeah, there you go. So if I want to flip it horizontal that way, the shoes are this way, so you can get kind of creative that way. If you want to rotate the image, you can do that as well. So I'll just rotate it 90 degrees to the right. I will go to where it says flip. I will flip it horizontal just like that. I will flip it vertical just like that. You can get sort of creative with it and do it however you may wish. So hopefully this video helped. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.